Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. So you all are JIB aspirants, right? And the question which comes in your mind regularly, you might be hearing from your friends, from your seniors that JIB is very good exam, but something might be ticking your mind. That is JIB compulsory? Means if I don't give JIB then what? Will the bank remove me from the job? Or is it compulsory? Is it for the future promotions? Will they ask me for JIB? So these are the basic questions which we need to answer before entering any exams as such, isn't it? Any curriculum. Otherwise, you'll do it, and then if you understand it, oh, it's not required. Then what's the use? So that's why you have to first understand the purpose for whatever you are doing, right? So that's why this topic today is JIB compulsory for bankers. Basic question, isn't it? So let's start. Firstly, understand what is JIB. Okay, with JIB and CIB, there are two exams actually. What is this JIB and CIB? Firstly, understand that. Okay, all bankers may have heard about JIB and CIB, right? In your branches, we always hear about them. Our seniors tell us that do JIB, very important. Do CIB, very important, right? But we have heard about it. Many of us don't know what are the exact details of these. The Indian Institute of Banking and Finance conducts these flagship courses, that is JIB and CIB, Junior Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers and Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers. So these are the two courses which the IIBF conducts. Very important ones, huh? For banking and financial sector employees. Remember, it's not compulsory nowadays only for banking. JIB, here, these two are actually for bankers only, but JIB has been converted into DBF also, right? And these DBF can be given by non-banking personnel also, okay? So, why should I qualify JIB? So, why should I give the JIB exam? Qualifying for both JIB and CIB exam will help an employee to grow professionally in terms of grasping banking procedures and career progression, right? See here, whatever you are doing, suppose you are in bank, so give your fullest to the bank, isn't it? To the banking knowledge. Why not? Whatever we are doing in our school days, we were in school, right? For first 10 years we did up to that HSC, right? So at that time what did we do? We gave our fullest to that HSC or whatever school standards we were in, right? So why not now? Now we are earning money from the bank. So when we are earning money from the bank, we must give our fullest, isn't it? So career progression, but it will also make the bankers confident, mature, and will provide rich experience. That is also important. Whenever you speak to the customers, if you speak to the customers, no sir, I don't know, I'll check it, I don't know actually. He asks you, okay sir, so tell me, customer comes to you, so tell me, in insurance, what are the three charges which the company charges to me? Oh, sir, I don't know. There is a person in our bank. Okay, I'll tell him to contact you. Is this the right answer? No. To give the right answer, you must be able to tell. See, these are the three charges, right? Mortality, FMC, and the third one, right? You must be able to answer it immediately. Only then the customer will feel confident about you, right? And where do you get this knowledge? You get this knowledge in JIB. Okay, in CIB you get the senior level knowledge for the head office level. You get about treasury, you come to know about trade finance, you come to know about international market, everything in CIB, not about JIB. JIB is mainly about the branch banking. Whatever comes in the branch, basically that topic is covered over here. So it will provide you with the rich experience. The employees must appear for JIB and CIB examination, and the reason to attempt JIB is discussed below. JIB and CIB is discussed below, okay? So is it compulsory in the banking job? No. Blunt answer is no. JAIB or CAIB is not compulsory in the banking exam as of now. Here I am telling you, as of now. I don't know about the future. Future, if tomorrow RBI comes and says that no, anyone in the bank should be strictly at least JIB. So then what? Now only what have they brought? In all the bank promotions, if you check, they give you one line, CIB compulsory. or JAIB compulsory, depending on the level of promotion, JAIB compulsory or CIB compulsory. So now they have reached to this level. After some years they might reach to that level that no, to be in the bank you have to come clear your JIB CIB. So it can happen. So that's why we don't know anything about the future. Right now it's not there. Is it compulsory in the banking job? No, not now. But it is advisable for future promotions and increments. That's but obvious, right? I'll show you that also. Let's go one by one. So what are the subjects in JIB? They are Indian economy and Indian financial system. Now see this. Everything about India and whatever is going on in this world presently. Here in Indian economy and Indian financial, you will get all this mutual funds, insurance, everything you will get it over here. Next you have PPB, Principles and Practices of Banking. Here you will get all the basics of banking. Your loan accounts, your deposit accounts, your lockers, your other products, everything. Even trade finance, some basic knowledge of that. Okay, so everything's here. It's all the working knowledge given in the PPB. Then you have accounting and finance management for bankers, means AFM we call it. So AFM, complete accounting, starting from the basics, from the journal entry to the final accounts. Everything is given over there. So accounting and finance gives you complete knowledge about accounting, various ratios. What are the ratio analysis? What is the ratio? What are the various types of ratios? How to judge a customer, how to analyze a customer, everything is shown given over there. Okay, retail banking and wealth management completes here. Your majority of the time in your life in banking goes in retail banking, right? We are in branches, so we have retail banking as such, right? So that's why retail banking and wealth management is one of the important topics, and it is one of the toughest topics. Remember, it's not that simple. Because here you get housing loans also. Housing loans are, that is also a topic over here in retail banking. Okay, here you again get the basics of PPB again. Means what are the deposit products, what are the liability, this loan products, everything you get it over here. Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app. In this app you will be getting premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, current affairs, whatever is going on in the market. Because current affairs is also important from JIB CIB angle, remember. Okay, so whatever you require for JIB and CIB, you'll get it over here. Okay, so download it right now. Now what are the benefits of JIB and CIB? See this, these JIB and CIB are promotional driven exams. Promotional means, nowadays, as I told you earlier, banks in the ad itself tell you for internal employees also compulsorily JIB or CIB should be there. So promotional driven. And in banking and finance, JIB is similar to matriculation, whereas CIB is similar to graduation. So JIB is the basic level exam, CIB is the senior level exam. Okay, so that's why both are compulsory, but at least you should be JIB. I would always suggest at least you should be JIB. Why? Because JIB gives you the branch level knowledge, complete branch level knowledge. Okay, the monetary as well as the non-monetary benefit after qualifying JIB and CIB are discussed below. So money is very important, right? Why do we work in the bank? We work in the bank for money. So what are the monetary benefits here? The monetary benefits are, if you are at the, okay, before going ahead, see this, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. Here you are watching this channel right now, you are watching the free YouTube series, similar YouTube series, and on the subjects also, detailed subject analysis, detailed questions from the exam, they are also discussed. So follow the YouTube series, click on the subscribe to the Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you get the important notifications immediately. Okay, so if you are working as a clerk at a clerical level in the bank and you qualify JIB, then you have one increment. If you are working as a clerical at a clerical grade and you qualify CIB, you get 2 increments. So if you pass JIB, you get 1 increment. If you pass CIB, you will get 2 increments if you are working as a clerk in the bank. Okay, but if you are working as an officer and if you qualify JIB or CIB both, you will get 1 increment per passing. Okay, JIB 1, CIB 1. So clerical you are having 2 increments for CIB, officer you are having single increment for CIB, right? Now other than monetary benefits, see this knowledge part. In JIB you learn everything there is to know about banking in India as well as other technical terms in the industry. This will also assist you in more successfully executing your tasks and using what you have learned in your daily banking operations, because that is the basic role of ours, right? We have to speak with customers on a daily basis. We have to tackle those customers. So if we have knowledge, we can be confident while speaking to them, isn't it? So that's why this is very important. Promotions. These exams are given a lot of weight in promotional interviews. So if you pass JIB and CIB, you'll have a better chance of being promoted. You get an advantage over the other applicants, because that is the basic. See here, if there are 10 candidates, out of which 9 have not done the JIB and CIB and 1 has done it, immediately that 1 will be selected. Why? Because he has got an added advantage over others. Okay, so that's why in promotions, in knowledge sake, banking knowledge and professional rules. Now this is very important point about professional rules here. How many years will you be working in retail banking? Same thing on a daily basis. Come to the branch, speak to the customer, sir, saving account, sir, current account, sir, insurance, please sir, target is there, do sir, KCC card, please sir, target. How many years will you be doing the same on a daily basis? After some years you will get bored with this job. So that's why you will be needing some professional role. Professional role means in treasury, in trade finance, in rural banking also. See here, rural banking, if you are at a branch level, then again you will have to do the same thing. Open this account, take this crop loan, take this what the other thing, deal with the customers. NPS, one not done, why go for the recovery, all these things. But if you are in professional role, like in let's say treasury, so treasury you just have to think about whatever is happening, and your decisions are very important over there. So whenever you go at a professional level or a senior level in some roles of trade finance or treasury, there the targets are not there, very less targets. Okay, there the main part is your knowledge. So this knowledge you will gain if you clear your JIB and CIB. So bankers can get posting in the professional or specific fields like rural banking, retail, treasury, forex, anything. Even in rural banking, whenever we say that rural banking is not the same which you see in the branches. If you are at a head office in rural banking, your thinking level is different. You don't have to follow the customers. You have to follow the product as such, develop the product as much. Okay, so professional rules. Okay. Now, how to clear this JIB part? For clearing this JIB, remember we are having this Sankalpa batch. Sankalpa batch for October 23, it covers all the subjects PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking. All of them are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything. So join this batch. And what is this Mahapak? Mahapak means, remember, 15 plus batches. What is this 15 plus batches? Like this one Sankalp batch, there are 15 plus various batches coming for various subjects. So all those batches you will get it in this Mahapak. Use the code PREP80, PREP80. Use this code always, never forget this code. Okay, let me show you how to get this. Okay, how to use this code, because you might be saying, sir, I know I have to get it, but how to use it? I don't know about that. So in that case, what do you do? Let me show you. See here. See this, go to Adda 24/7 live. I would always suggest you to download the app first. Okay, so to download the app, in the app what do you get? You get 1% extra. Okay, so go to Adda 24/7. See here on the front page itself, click on first page. See this JIB and CIB, then click on JIB October 23, JIB October 23, done. See this, once you click on this, you will get this JIB Sankalpa batch. Click on this Sankalpa batch. Okay, you will see the details over here, all the details. Means new what are the subjects covered, what are the timings, what are the dates, what is the schedule, what is the study plan, everything you get it over here. So read it at your ease. Now let me show you the fees part. See this, 75% off you are getting. Now look at this, 75% off, 19999 is the actual fees, and you are getting this discount. But what is the code you June 75? What is the code I am telling you? See here, use the code PREP80, PREP80, PREP80. Use this code PREP80. Here you'll get, now look at the magic. See the magic, 80% discount. So 19999 now reduces to 3999.80. 80% off you are getting. So join it immediately. Even Mahapack, I was talking about Mahapack, right? What is Mahapack? Okay, let me show you. See this. Again go to JAIIB CIB. See this. On the front page itself, JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Okay. Now click on JAIIB Ka Mahapack over here. Now there are two options to you. You can click on JAIIB Ka Mahapack, or you can click on JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Both, either of these, any of them click. I'll show you JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Why? Because you are getting some advantage over here. Let me show you what is the advantage. See this. Whenever you choose JAIIB CIB combined Mahapack, you can use the same for right now in this this prep 80 code. You can use it for double validity. See here, what is shown over here? 12 months, right? So if you put this prep 80 Maha code over here, prep 80 code over here, one sec. See this. Let me show you. See this. More offers. Click on this. Now put the code prep 80. Now look at the magic over here. Prep 80. Okay. Now what is the validity shown? 12 plus 12 months. Look at this. Okay. Click on apply. See this, 12 plus 12 months you are getting, 24 months you are getting, and 80% off also. So 80% off and 24 months. So if you start studying right now, you will clear JIB in this October itself. Then remaining how many? 4 months are gone, right? From here, 5 months. Remaining all, let's say 12 months. 12 plus this 18 months. Remaining 18 months you can use the same package for CIB. So that's why join this JIB CIB Mahapack combined one. That's the best thing. In that again I'll tell you 15 plus batches you are getting per subject. You can read it if you want. See here, I'll show you. You can read it over here. The details are given over here. See these details. Okay. 15 plus live batches for PPB means for JIB part. 15 plus batches for CIB part, right? Case study batches, everything, full length mock test, ebooks, test. Okay. So join it immediately. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, keep studying and